g'day, g'day. And how you go when you say g'day, g'day, g'day. And you'll be right.
G'day guys, how are you? It's good to have you along on the bush shed. I know I'm not in the bush shed at the moment, but this is me going to air. We can't go to air at the moment, unfortunately, because of the restrictions, and I'm president of a radio station in the Campbelltown district, 2MCR, Sounds of Macarthur, and which is southwest of Sydney. Anyway, I am the president and I've had to close the station down, unfortunately, but we can run the station from my house, which is really cool. So a lot of people are actually what are called voice tracking. They go in there and they pre-record their music by remoting into the station, getting the voice tracking done there. I'm actually physically, literally live to air at the moment. I've got 1 minute 48 seconds before the next break, which means I go on air. And we use this music here, well, actually it's just music loaded into a program called Zara. Now Zara is an automation program which allows us to play music, and I'm actually streaming through a portal from the web, to be honest with you, and it's called myradiostream.com, and it's called myradiostream.com. Anyway, it allows me to stream and get out onto the interwebs, to be honest. So what happens is my station takes that stream web address that I'm streaming to, puts it onto another automation program, and it plays it directly through the consoles at the station. So 40 seconds, I'll go on air, and I'll show you what I do when we go to air. We are live to air at the moment, which is fantastic. No pre-records, no way in the world. All right, let's get it done. Now you're going to hear the music cut off because I'm going to turn it off so I can go to air. It's 10:05 on the Sounds of Macarthur. G'day, how are you? Joy to the world and joy to you and me. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Well, actually, I did a rendition of that song. I might play it later for you, see how I feel. But anyway, it's me keeping you company right through to midnight tonight. This is Jukebox Saturday Night, going back to 1964 for the next one, of course, Martha and the Vandells. This is the Sounds of Macarthur. G'day, how are you? It's great to have you along, and it's great to have me along right here on this frequency. Don't touch that dial, because I tell you what, if you do, I'm going to come in there and rip your bloody arms off. If you don't remember that, there's something wrong with you. We're dancing in the streets right now. That's right, coming out of 1964. So there you go, guys. That's what happens when we go on air. I've been doing radio for nearly 20 odd years. I was in commercial radio for a few years. So I do this now because I enjoy doing it. I don't get paid for it. It's all free, all volunteer. And if you ever want to get onto a radio station, find your local radio station somewhere in Australia. I'm not too sure overseas. But, you know, guys, come on. Get into it, have fun. It's an exciting medium. Get yourself out there, have a bit of fun with it. You can play the music you'd like to hear and like to do. All right? Good stuff, guys. Well, as I always say, until the next time we're around the traps and we're out in the bush shed, hurry, guys. Take care. Bye now.